Down. So if you want something, you just take it. And if you leave, it's automatically paid for by my phone. Okay, this is so funny. So this booth has sample videos. It's telling us exactly what to do. The girls have actually never heard of ASMR before, but they're kind of getting the concept, and we're gonna make our own video. But now we're in a very professional looking photo booth.
Hi.
Hi! So we're sitting in the car in kind of the dark. Well, it's not that dark, but I am very excited because where are we, Tella?
At a mall.
We're at a mall, but not just any mall. We are at the newest, biggest mall in Seoul. It's supposed to be a big deal. And Ria is still sleeping or trying to wake up in the back of the van because we came here after school and it was quite a drive. There was traffic. But we're going to spend the evening here, and it's okay because it's really close to our house. That's the good thing. We've been putting off coming here because it's supposed to be really crowded, but today's a weekday, so we're hoping we'll get to look around and have some dinner and have some fun. Oh, and the girls are so cute. They're wearing the tie-dye dresses that they dyed. Okay, let's go! Nice elevator. We're going to go to the first floor first.
With the turbo screen that's
So we're here. It's really pretty. There are two waterfalls. Ready? Tella just asked me where we're going. And we're going to an exhibition to see bubbles that pop and turn into powder. Hey, Tella, come over here. Let's go to an area where there isn't anyone. Woo! Woo! Cool. Touch it, Tella, okay? When it comes down. Look, Tella. There's another one coming down. When you touch it, it turns into powder. Oh, this is so cool. So it's an art installation, but it's interactive and it invites the audience to take part. We're up on the 6th floor and there's a really good view. There are loads of trees here. We're on the waiting list to go and eat. So we're stopping by a store that's on the same floor. It's called the Uncommon Store, and it's special because it's an Amazon service store where there's nobody there. You just go in, pick up things you want to buy, and leave. So we're gonna do that. Girls, let me explain. We're at a store where there are no people to help us. So if you want something, you just take it. And if you leave, it's automatically paid for by my phone. But if you pick up something and you decide you don't want it, you have to put it back exactly where you found it. Okay? So let's look around first and tell me what you want, and then if I say it's okay, you can pick it up. Okay, I chose that. It's a gummy. Okay, maybe. Let's look around the whole store first. They have a lot of nice snacks.
cookie.
Cookie? Which one? Birthday cake or double chocolate? Birthday cake? Okay. And let's look around. Let's keep on looking. Oh, they have cute cups. I'll let you choose. Maybe one, maybe two. Ooh, cute key rings. Okay, so Ria, pick yours up. Pick it up. Yeah. Okay, and Tella, pick up the one that you want. The cookie. Okay. Okay, ready to leave? You just walk out. Go. Yep, go on out. Okay, woo! So the girls got a cookie and some candy and they're really happy. And as we were walking out, maybe 1 minute after we walked out of the store, I got a message saying that my card paid for everything. So that was very cool. Look at these cute baby clothes that we don't need anymore. Yeah, my babies are big now. So we're walking over there to the Sounds Forest, they call it. It's the famous area with lots of trees indoors.
Can we just go back upstairs?
Yeah, in a minute.
Upstairs is much more fun.
Yeah, we'll go.
Do you want another one?
Ooh,
It's
so
okay, Ria, because it's just
pretty.
us.
The thing about this mall is that they have windows on the ceilings, so a lot of sunlight comes in. So this is the trendy restaurant where we're gonna eat dinner. This place is run by SM Entertainment, and they have Mexican and Hongkonese food. So we'll have a mixture of both actually. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, what are we gonna have? I know Tella likes noodles. We had a really nice dinner. And now we're going to our last stop, which is what, Ria? The last stop? Okay, so this is the last place. They have an ASMR experience booth, and the girls have to choose one jelly tray from here. One, you have to choose one together, girls. Which one do you want? Is that okay? This is the YouTube ASMR booth. And the lady's gonna tell us how to do it. So this is really fun. We are in a YouTube booth with a tray of jelly, and we're going to do an ASMR video.
Oh, why do we
We're gonna make it and then they're gonna send it to us. So let's do it. Okay, this is so funny. So this booth has sample videos. It's telling us exactly what to do. The girls have actually never heard of ASMR before, but they're kind of getting the concept, and we're gonna make our own video. So now there are all these photo booths here, and we have tickets to go into one of them. So girls, take a look inside the photo booth and choose a theme, like this one here. You would take a photo in here, like with a pink wall and those props. Those are just props. Or Tella, come on, let's have a look at the other booth. There's a yellow booth. Okay, so I guess it's all the same. I think it's just the background color. Okay?
And also
Okay, or there's blue, another yellow, a purple. Just choose a color, girls. What do you think?
There are wigs here.
You want to do this one then?
Wig out. How do I look?
We can only choose one booth. So now we're in a very professional looking photo booth, and the girls are going to take some pictures. This place is really fun. So we're all done, and we got some cute pictures. And it's getting pretty late. Ria, so we're going to go home and go to bed now. Girls, did you have a good time?
Yes.
You want to come back here?
Yes.
Okay.
And don't forget to subscribe and like and